Hey, what's going on, fellow snowcat technicians? Little quick video for you. Here in the Fab Bay, I'm sure most of you that own 400 piston bullies, they're Tier 4 400s, are having issues with fuel tanks cracking. So from what I hear, it's happening quite a lot where the pickup for the fuel is welded to the tank. It is cracking around that banjo fuel fitting. So I wanted to show you what my repair was looking like, where I've already tried just welding the cracks to get us by. Obviously that's not an ideal kind of situation, but this is what I have dealt with. So here is the affected area. We basically have a line coming in and a banjo bolt and fuel line. And so it's really difficult to weld the area because obviously an O-ring, or I'm sorry, a copper washer has to seal right there. You can even see the witness mark. We did have some TIG welding attempts there. It's actually a bit of porosity, that's no good. But it cracked again. So this weldment, or this bung fitting, was welded on the inside of the tank, which we can't access. And the original crack was basically following the weld on the inside of the tank. So this tank is mounted in this carrier, and it shakes all around. And obviously the fuel line is keeping it rigid, and we're having some flexing and fatiguing, and it is cracking. So the fix that I've come up with, I basically machined this plate here just out of some mild steel, drilled and tapped 14 by 150, which is the same size as the banjo. And so this is gonna basically snug up and tighten up this whole area. We're going to distribute this load a little bit. We're going to TIG weld this flange on, and then our banjo and whatnot are going to seal here. So there's no way that this thing's going to crack. And I find it hard to believe that by distributing the load amongst this large enough area, where we have, you know, this acting as a brace, the side of the tank is kind of right there. So we don't have all this distance from here to here to act as a fulcrum point. We're bringing it out to here, and hopefully this is going to fix our problem up. So I'll get this TIG welded up, and I'll show you guys what that's all gonna look like. All right, that's the first layer, first pass anyway. Let this cool down, have some lunch, put another pass on it, and we'll do a quick little tiny pressure test, and we'll call her good. All right, here we go. I don't know if this is going to completely fix the problem, but it should slow it down. And for the time it took me to machine that thing real quick and weld it on, a lot cheaper than replacing this tank. Okay, all good. Pressure tested, no bubbles anywhere. Got a little bit of paint on it. Gonna keep this surface pretty well, I think, clean until the copper washer goes on there. And I might just hit this with a bit of grease or something like that to stop this area from rusting, but that's it. Pretty decent repair, didn't take too long. Yeah, hope this video helps you guys out, and hope everyone is well. Take care.